Welcome back to TechGetter Official. Today we'll learn 4 easy methods to take a screenshot on your computer. The first method is using the snipping tool. Open the search bar, type snipping tool, and click on it. Now select the snip mode. There are 4 modes available: freeform, rectangular, window, and full screen. Select the rectangular snip option, then use your mouse to highlight the area you want to capture. That's your screenshot. You can also edit it. Use the brush, pen, or highlighter to mark anything you want. Once done, click on the save icon, give it a name, and click save. The second method is using the PrtScn (PrtScn) key. For this, open Google Chrome or any screen you want to capture. Now press the PrtScn key on your keyboard. To view your screenshot, go to the search bar, type pictures, and open it. Inside, click on the screenshots folder, and there you'll find the screenshot you just took. The third method is Windows key plus PrtScn. Again, open Google Chrome and search anything. For example, WhatsApp images. Then press Windows key plus PrtScn together. To open the screenshot, search for pictures again, go to the screenshots folder, and you'll see the latest image captured. The fourth method is using Microsoft PowerPoint or Word. Go to the search bar, type Microsoft PowerPoint, and open it. Create a blank presentation. Click on the Insert tab, then choose Screenshot, and then click on Screen Clipping. Select the area you want to capture, and it will appear directly on your PowerPoint slide. Now click on File, then Save As, choose a folder, like Documents, give your screenshot a name, and click Save, then click OK. You can do the same steps in Microsoft Word too. Open Word by searching Microsoft Word in the search bar, and create a blank document. Click on Insert, choose Screenshot, and then Screen Clipping. Select the area you want, it will appear inside your document. You can resize or adjust it as needed. Then go to File, click on Save As, select this PC, choose a folder, give your screenshot a name, and click Save, then OK. And that's it. These are the 4 best ways to take a screenshot on your computer using Windows in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.